closet under control, you become very choosy about what you bring into your wardrobe. So learning value over price is a great skill, especially if you're on a tight budget. So, but this trick, price per wear, is so helpful because it can put it into perspective. So we have an example here. 2 blouses. We have the leopard print blouse, $50, and a classic white shirt, $50. Because the leopard print blouse is busier than you normally wear, you only pull it out 4 times a year. That makes the price per wear $12.50. The classic white shirt, you spent time, you shopped, it fits perfectly, it's comfortable, you wear it once a week because it goes with all your foundational neutrals and you can do pops of color with no problem. 96 cents per wear for the first year. So don't spill salsa on it. And then it's free on the second year. So try this trick as you practice buying quality over quantity. When you pause and buy only quality thoughtfully, it dignifies us and it elevates our dressing routine. Once you begin to enjoy your wardrobe, its simplification, the open and airy spaces, it becomes slightly addictive. So you guard ruthlessly what comes back into your closet. If you feel like doing a major overhaul of your closet, you don't have time for that, just consider analyzing every single day with these 3 questions. And over time, you will have an idea of what to purge and what you need in order to live your life beautifully and comfortably. If you are going to have less hanging in your closet, they have to be great things. So save to purchase items of high quality. Tailor them to fit you. Take really good care of them to make getting dressed a pleasure instead of a chore.